Hey everybody, it's Neil, and in this box here, sorry my wrist is bad, that's why I kind of opened it up already, but I have started it. But I have a car top carrier. So this will go on the roof of my car, and I can put all sorts of things on it. It's got straps to strap it down and everything like that. I have a cross beams on my car, so it'll just connect up to that. And it's super heavy duty, like a vinyl, waterproof, totally good. Even comes with a case for it here. And not sure what this is. Oh, this is just some protector. Oh, that's really good because I have a Tesla. This will protect my the glass on the roof. I'll put that down first, and then I'll put this on top of it. And so I'll show you guys what it looks like with it on my car here in just a second. So, I mean, for you guys, it'll be immediate. For me, it'll be 5 minutes to go out there and set it up. Totally cool though, thumbs up. The first thing I'm gonna do is put this anti-slip mat over the top. Hard for me to get out of the bag. Anti-slip. There we go. Now I can put the bag on top and it won't slide around. We can clip it on as such. I'm not going to go through the whole process of clipping it completely on, but let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Actually, I guess I need to not clip it on. Open it up. Let's see, where's the zipper? Let's zip on this side. Oh. No. So it has a Velcro and a zipper. I would say not necessarily something I want to open every night, but you know, it's not so bad. Let me see what I can put inside of it to show you guys what it looks like. You can fit lots of stuff in there. It'll fit a whole ton of things in there. And then it'll clip on. You can clip these things through, probably through to the other side, and run it all the way through. Same with over here. You have the lug straps. These ones here, I would clip onto my cross beam here, so it'll hold it on. I have the front and the back on the cross beams, and it'll hold it in place really well. And see how it goes. It's actually not centered. I would think it's got to go over this way more. It doesn't completely pick up the whole top. That's about centered now, so you can see it's it'll be in the center of the car, but it's really nice. It's good, and I would just zip it back up and flip it on, and I'll be good to go. So it's a nice carrier. Seems like it's going to be good and waterproof. It's definitely plasticky like the vinyl, so that's going to be great, and it'll fit a lot. You could probably fit a bunch of big luggages, or if you're making a move or something like that. I wouldn't be hesitant to drive all cross country with this thing here. It's solid. It's good. It's gonna totally hold up. It's great. So totally awesome. Great car carrier. Thumbs up for sure. I'll also mention it came with this little rooftop carrier cargo or little baggie, which has in it some Velcro straps for things to strap it down and put it through the windows and whatnot. Got a bunch of those, so you can clip those onto the, oh, I don't have it out there anymore. And then we have a little locking lock with a little 4-digit combination. So that is kind of nice. It came with that little setup as well. So you have all that stuff. But totally cool. Thumbs up.